Welcome to Money Masters, go-to destination for mastering personal finance and achieving financial freedom. Hi, I'm Eileen, your host for today's episode. I've spent years mastering the art of personal finance and wealth building, and I'm excited to share my insights with you. In today's video, we'll talk about 10 financial habits for your 20s for long-term wealth. Whether you're looking to buy your first home, travel the world, or just enjoy a stress-free retirement, these habits will set you up for success. So, stay with us and transform your financial journey one habit at a time. But before we dive into our video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our expert advice and money-saving tips. Now, let's get started. Are you ready to become a money masters? Let's go!
10 financial habits to start in your 20s for long-term wealth. Navigating the journey to financial freedom is often described as a marathon, not a sprint. It's a cumulative process that demands patience, planning, and prudent habits. Starting in your 20s can set you on a trajectory towards long-term wealth, but which habits should you cultivate? Let's delve into 10 pivotal financial habits that can lay the foundation for a secure financial future. Budgeting and tracking expenditures. At the cornerstone of financial health is the practice of budgeting. Begin by categorizing your expenses, understanding your monthly inflow and outflow, and sticking to a planned budget. Modern apps and digital tools make this easier than ever. When you know where every dollar is going, you can make informed decisions. Building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account can prevent unforeseen situations from becoming financial catastrophes. This buffer can mean the difference between staying afloat during hard times and accumulating debt. Investing early and often. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, starting to invest in your 20s can have a profound impact on long-term wealth accumulation. Whether it's a 401k, IRA, or a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, consistently investing, even in small amounts, can yield significant returns over time. Avoiding bad debt. Not all debt is created equal. While student loans or mortgages might be considered good debt due to their potential for ROI, high-interest credit card debt is rarely beneficial. Paying off high-interest debts promptly and avoiding them in the future is essential for financial health. Living below your means. The temptation to upgrade one's lifestyle with each salary increment is real. However, practicing frugality and prioritizing savings and investments over conspicuous consumption can pay dividends in the long run. Continual financial education. The financial world is dynamic. Making it a habit to continually educate yourself on financial trends, investment opportunities, and money management strategies can empower you to make informed decisions. Setting clear financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, traveling the world, or achieving early retirement, clear financial goals can act as a guiding light. They give purpose to your savings and investment strategies, making the journey more focused and fulfilling. Protecting your assets. Insurance isn't just an expense, it's a means to protect your wealth. Be it health insurance, life insurance, or renter's insurance, ensuring you're adequately covered can prevent catastrophic financial losses. Networking and career growth. Your earning potential is a significant component of your financial health. Regularly networking, upskilling, and seeking career growth opportunities not only increase your income but also your potential to save and invest more. Seeking professional advice. While DIY financial management can be rewarding, there's value in seeking expert opinions. A financial advisor can offer tailored advice, helping you optimize your financial strategies and navigate complex decisions. In conclusion, the journey to long-term wealth isn't about sudden windfalls or overnight successes. It's about consistently practicing good financial habits. The habits you establish in your 20s can set the tone for the rest of your life, turning small, disciplined actions into a future of financial stability and prosperity. Budgeting and tracking expenditures, a comprehensive guide. In a world filled with financial complexities and temptations, mastering the art of budgeting and tracking expenditures is crucial. Budgeting ensures you allocate your resources efficiently, while tracking expenditures ensures you stick to your plan. Here's a comprehensive guide to understanding and mastering both. Understanding the importance. Control over finances. Knowing where your money goes provides a sense of control. A budget acts as a roadmap, ensuring you don't stray into financial pitfalls. Setting and meeting goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or retirement, budgeting helps you set, prioritize, and achieve your financial goals. Preventing debt. Overspending is a common cause of debt. By tracking and sticking to a budget, you live within your means and avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. Getting started. Determine your income. Begin by calculating your total monthly income. This includes your salary, any side hustles, dividends, etc. Categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into fixed, like rent and utilities, and variable, like entertainment and dining out. This helps you identify areas where you can cut back if necessary. Set limits. Based on your income and financial goals, allocate specific amounts to each category. Tools and resources. Manual tracking. Old school pen and paper or spreadsheets can be effective for some. Budgeting apps. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard automatically categorize and track your expenses, making the process more streamlined. Bank and credit card summaries. Many banks and credit card companies provide monthly spending summaries, categorized by type. Adjusting your budget. Regular reviews. As life circumstances change, a new job, addition to the family, moving cities, your budget should evolve too. Review it regularly. Address overspending. If you consistently overspend in a category, assess the cause. Is the budget unrealistic, or do you need to rein in spending habits? Reallocate funds. If you consistently underspend in a category, consider reallocating these funds to savings, investments, or other areas of your budget. Tips for success. Pay yourself first. Treat savings as a non-negotiable monthly expense. This ensures you prioritize building wealth over discretionary spending. Account for occasional expenses. Annual subscriptions or quarterly insurance payments can disrupt a monthly budget. Set aside a portion every month to cover these occasional costs. Use the envelope system. For variable expenses like entertainment or dining, allocate cash in envelopes for each category. When the envelope is empty, that's it for the month. Benefits of consistent tracking. Financial awareness. Regularly tracking expenditures keeps you attuned to your financial habits and helps prevent frivolous spending. Early problem detection. If financial issues start to arise, consistent tracking allows for early detection and course correction. Peace of mind. There's a comfort in knowing you're living within your means and working towards your financial goals. Budgeting and tracking expenditures are skills that offer both immediate and long-term benefits. While it might seem daunting initially, with consistency, it becomes second nature. The resultant financial discipline, growth, and peace of mind are well worth the effort. Investing early and often. The power of compound growth. The concept of investing early and often might seem elementary to seasoned investors, but to many, especially young adults, its profound impact isn't always clear. Tapping into the magic of compound growth is one of the most effective strategies for wealth accumulation. Here's a deep dive into the significance of starting early and investing regularly. Understanding compound growth. Compound growth, often termed the eighth wonder of the world by financial enthusiasts, is the process where an investment earns interest or returns, and then the reinvested earnings also start generating returns. In simple terms, it's interest on interest or earnings on earnings. The frequency factor. Investing often, like monthly or quarterly, as opposed to sporadically, can have several benefits. 1. Dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you purchase more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. 1. This can potentially reduce the average cost of your investments over time. 2. Consistency. Regular investments ensure discipline, ensuring you're continually contributing to your financial future regardless of market conditions. 3. Enhanced compound growth. More frequent contributions mean more money is subjected to the magic of compounding. Getting started. 1. Research investment options. Understand the difference between stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment vehicles. 2. Retirement accounts. Consider tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks which offer additional benefits for long-term growth. Tips for successful investing. 4. Diversify. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk. 5. Stay informed. Continually educate yourself about market trends and investment principles. 6. Avoid emotional decisions. The market has its ups and downs. 6. Making impulsive decisions during a downturn can jeopardize long-term gains. 7. Reinvest dividends. Instead of cashing out dividends, reinvest them to further harness the power of compound growth. The challenges. 1. Patience is key. Compound growth requires time. 1. There might be periods where returns seem minimal, but the long-term trend is what matters. 2. Market volatility. The market can be unpredictable. 2. The key is to stay committed and focus on long-term goals rather than short-term fluctuations.
Thank you for joining us in this enlightening journey through the world of finance and the secret of money masters. We hope you found this video both informative and thought-provoking. If you want to dive deeper into the world of financial mastery and take control of your financial future, remember to subscribe our channel here. And you can find more informative videos here. Thank you again for watching. Remember, financial mastery is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So, take action, stay curious, and never stop learning. Until next time, my name is Aileen, signing off. Wishing you financial success and prosperity. See you in the next video.